National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, southwestern Bureau County in north-central Illinois, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Galva, or 7 miles southeast of Cambridge, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Kiwami around 9:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Buda, Winnett, and Tuskilwa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A severe